Barbecue pulled jackfruit sandwiches. Makes 8 slider-sized sandwiches. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons diced onion, 1 garlic clove, diced, 3 ounces tomato paste, 6 tablespoons or according to your taste, 1/4 cup maple syrup, if you don't have this you can use honey, 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, divided, 1 teaspoon dried mustard, sriracha, ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper, red pepper, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon ground black pepper, or powder in which form you like most, 2 tablespoons water, more is needed, 28 ounces canned jackfruit, drained and rinsed, then shredded. If you don't have you can use pineapple and mango, you can use them both or individually. 6 ounces prepared vegetable slaw, 12 tablespoons or according to your need. 2 tablespoons vegan mayonnaise. Vegan mayonnaise is made from soy milk and oil, or if you don't have you can use regular mayonnaise. 1 to 2 tablespoons almond milk, or your favorite dairy-free milk. 1 to 2 teaspoons organic, vegan-friendly sugar, if you don't have organic sugar. Salt and black pepper to taste. 8 slider-sized buns. Instructions: 1. Warm the olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. When hot, add the onion and cook for several minutes until it begins to soften. Add the garlic and cook for 30 seconds. 2. Stir in the pan with tomato paste, maple syrup, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, mustard, cayenne, red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, and water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. If you want to thin the sauce slightly, add a tablespoon or 2 of water. 3. Add the jackfruit to the pan and turn the heat to low. Allow cooking for several minutes. If you like you can add raw fruits, just let them in pan without flame and use because it will be more tasty with raw fruits. 4. In a bowl, mix the remaining apple cider vinegar, mayonnaise, milk, sugar, and salt and pepper to combine. 5. Pour the mixture over the vegetable slaw in a bowl, and toss. 6. Remove the jackfruit from the heat, and add to the buns. Top with a few forkfuls of the slaw and serve immediately. If you like the video, thumbs up. Please let me know your experience in the comments section below and subscribe the channel for more delicious recipes.